How to extract the string from a substring in Python. Utilize string slicing. Given some string, Trey Turner, do string square bracket start index colon stop index. String indexes start at 0. Stop index is not included. Omitting start goes from beginning to one before stop index. Omitting stop goes from start index to end of the string. Specifying a third value tells how many characters to step by. -1 is the last element and counts down as you go from right to left. String Trey Turner. You get Trey if you slice the string from 0 to 4, because it goes from the 0th character to the 3rd character. You get Turner if you string slice from 5 to the end. You get Trey a second way if you go from the start up to the 3rd character. You get TE if you string slice from 0 to 4 with a step of 2. So that goes from the 0th character to the 3rd character and it skips 2. You get Trey a third way if you string slice from 0 to -7, because that ends up being 0 to 4 with the way negative indices work. And you get the string backwards if you slice : -1. It reverses the string by starting from the last index and going backwards to the first index. Ciao.